Winner of the kit cars and one winner of the home built cars, but there's first, second, third places in both.
Are they going to be lined up at some point?
Yeah, we'll bring.
Yeah, they'll have them in the middle here.
Yep.
Recognize.
We'll edit this still together within a couple of days for the Oregon Herald.
Well, we thought about bringing everybody out and have them line their cars up on the track.
That'd be good. I'm surprised.
Ooh, close to the center line. Close. Good.
And the winner is Anya.
Good job, ladies. Nice job, Livia. Good job, Anya. Good job.
How was that?
That was really close.
How was that?
Good. For my first year.
Pretty good, yes. Yeah, good for
Fun.
you.
Yeah.
How'd you do?
Good.
Pretty good.
What?
What's up?